Hello friends, welcome back. Today we can learn the easiest method to find the square of any numbers. Are you excited? To learn this trick, be with me till the end of the video. So let's start. We can start with one-digit numbers. Let's consider 9 square. This is a one-digit number, so we know that the base is 10. 9 is 1 less than 10. That is, we know that the deficiency is 1. Find the square. What we have to do is just subtract this deficiency with this 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. This is the left hand side part. To get the right hand side part, just square this one and write it here. So 9 square is 81. One more. 8 square. 8 is 2 less than 10. So first we have to do 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2? 8 minus 2 is 6. Now to get the right hand side part, just square this 2 and write 4. 8 square is 64. We can do this in fraction of a second. 11 square. 11 is 1 more than 10. So what we have to do is 11 plus 1. That is 12. Now just square that 1 and write 1 in the right hand side. So 11 square is 121. 12 square. 12 is 2 more than 10, so it's plus 2. 12 plus 2, 14. Then 2 square is 4. That means 12 square is 144. 13 square, 13 plus 3, 16. 3 square, 9, 169. 14 square, 14 plus 4, 18. Then 4 square is 16, but we have only one digit placed there. So write the 6 and carry over that 1 to the next place. So answer is 196. 15 square, it's 15 plus 5 is 20. 5 square is 25. Write it like this. Then final answer is 225. 16 square, 16 plus 6 is 22, and then 6 square is 36. Carry over this 3. Answer is 256. Consider 19 square. This, if you consider 10 as the base, 19 is 10 plus 9, correct? So we can do this in two methods. First one, we are taking it as 10 plus 9. So as in the previous case, we just have to add this 9 to 19 to get 28. Okay. Then 9 square is 81. Write 1 here and 8 is carried over. So adding 1, 6, 3. 19 square is 361. Now we can do the same in another method. Instead of taking this 10 as the base, we can take 20 as the working base. We have done the multiplication of numbers with sub-bases. It's same as that. Here 10 is the base, but we are taking 20 as our working base. 19 is 20 minus 1. So just to find 19 square, the left hand side part is 19 minus 1, which is 18. Now, to get the right hand side part, just square this 1 and write it here. But here we are not taking the original base. We are working with a new base or a sub base. We have to make that change into this left hand side part. That is, working base is 10 times 2. Same thing we have to do here 18 times 2 is 36 and this one answer is 361. So if a number is nearest to the base, we can use this method, or if it is nearer to some sub-base, we can use this method. So that you can use this method to almost every numbers, whether it be so large or so small. Consider 698 square. If you do by the usual method, we have to work a lot, isn't that? But here what we are doing is the 698 is very nearer to 700. 698 plus 2 is 700. So we take 100 times 7, 700 as our working base. The deficiency is 2. So first we have to subtract that 2 from 698, which is 6, 9, 6. Get the right hand side part. We just have to square this 2, which is 4. But since our base is 100, we have 2 places here. So instead of writing 4, we write 0, 4. Working base is base times 7. So we have to do the same to this left hand side part. 7 6 are 42, 4 carry over, 9 7 63 plus 4 67, 6 again, 7 6 42 plus 6 48. This is our original left hand side, and then we can write this 0 4 along with that, so that 698 square is 487 204. 511 square. Looking at this itself, we know that the working base is 500. Our surplus is plus 11. 500 plus 11 is 511. So first part is just add this 11 to 511 so that you will be getting 522. This is the left hand side for the time being. Get the right hand side part, square this 11 and write it here. 11 square, we know that it is 121, but we only have 2 places since our base is 100. So in that 121, we just write 2 and 1, and 1 is carried over to the next place. 500 is 100 times 5, so we have to do that times 5 here on the left hand side. 5 2s are 10. 1 carry over, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, 5 5 25 plus 1, 26. This is our original left hand side. We have to do this carry over here, so that add this 0 and 1, so that the answer is 2 6 1 1 2 1. 511 square is 2 6 1 1 2 1. Here, one thing you have to be careful is that first we have to do the multiplication part, then only we have to do the carryover. Carryover is done in the last. Then only you will be getting the right answer.